Welcome to Amberfett Design Studios. This is the first of a several part series where I'm going to hopefully show you a little bit about how to applique. Let's get started.
Okay, so we're going to take a minute to talk about the tools that I use to do applique. I know everybody has their preference, and of course you're welcome to use anything you like, but these are the things that I use. And since people ask me often what tools I use, I thought I would take a minute to show you. So the things you're going to need to do an applique project. You're going to need your applique templates. You're going to want to have a layout of the pattern design that you're doing. This is an applique pressing sheet, and you can see that it's kind of wrinkled. This one's been used for about 3 years now, but it's still got a lot of life left in it. They last forever. And this is my ironing surface. You can use an ironing board or one of these portable surfaces. It's just one of those that you pick up from the store, and I covered with fabric. The other thing we use are Pellon. Wonder Under, it's the number 805. I cut those into 8.5 by 11 or 11 by 17 sheets, or you can use them straight off the bolt. Then there are two different scissors that I like. This is the scissor I use to do the rough cut of the templates. This is the scissor that I use. It's a Fisker spring action scissor, and it allows me to get a lot of precision and into some of the intricate curves, corners, things like that when I'm cutting the fabric that has been fused to the fusible. Then of course I've got a pencil, that's for drawing and tracing my pattern pieces, and I have a seam ripper. Alright, so we're going to move on to the tracing part of this process, and the one thing I'd like to point out to you first, if you want to make this easier on yourself, you can take the layout. The pattern we're working with is called Rudy Comes Calling. It's a table runner. It'll have a Rudy and this design on each end of the table runner. What I've done is I've taken and I've labeled each pattern template the color that I'm going to make it. This will make it easier when I start to trace and easier when I decide what fabric is what. So for instance, we've got light brown antlers, light brown on the face, brown or dark brown on the body. This will be cream or light brown, brown trunk, and various shades of green on the tree.